Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Power English Speaking, where we practice real English for real life. I'm Anna.
And I'm Mike. Hello to all our listeners around the world. We're really happy you're here with us today.
It's good to see you, Mike. You look awake today.
I feel awake. I slept well and I had a big breakfast. That always helps.
A good breakfast can change everything.
It really can. How are you today, Anna?
I'm doing well, thank you. And I'm a little excited, but also serious about our topic today.
Serious? Uh-oh. Is it something fun like food or travel?
Not exactly fun, but very important. This is real-life English.
Real-life English. I like that. That usually means useful English.
Yes, English you may need when something unexpected happens.
Okay, now I'm curious.
Today, we're going to talk about how to talk to the police in an emergency.
The police. That is a serious topic.
It is, but we want to make it simple and clear. No difficult grammar, no long sentences.
That's good, because when people are nervous, they don't think about grammar.
Exactly. They just want help.
And everyone needs to know how to ask for help.
Yes, especially if you live in another country or you are traveling.
You might not know the system or the words.
That's why we're doing this episode. Before we start, we have a small favor to ask.
Yes, if you enjoy learning English with us, please subscribe to Speak English Daily.
And give this episode a like. It really helps other learners find us.
And share it with a friend or a family member. This lesson could help someone one day.
Okay, Anna, let's talk about the police.
Let's do it. Mike, let me ask you something.
Okay, go ahead. Have you ever talked to the police before?
Yes, I have.
Really? Was it scary?
A little bit, yes. It was a few years ago.
What happened?
I was at home. It was late at night.
How late?
Very late, maybe around 1 in the morning.
That is late.
I was sleeping, but then I woke up because of a loud sound.
A loud sound?
Yes, very loud music.
Oh, I think I know where this is going.
My neighbors were having a party.
At 1 in the morning?
Yes, on a weekday.
That's not very kind.
No, it's not. I waited for some time, but the music didn't stop.
So you decided to call the police?
Yes, but I didn't call the emergency number.
That's an important point.
There are different numbers. One number is for real danger.
Like a fire or someone getting hurt.
Exactly. But loud music is not danger.
It's annoying, but not dangerous.
So I called the non-emergency number for my local police station.
Were you nervous?
A little. I was tired, and my English was not perfect.
What did you say?
I said, "Hello, I want to report a noise complaint."
Noise complaint. That's a very useful phrase.
Yes, it means someone is being too loud.
What did the officer say?
He was calm and polite. He asked for my address.
The address is very important.
Yes, I told him my street and house number.
Did he ask your name?
Yes, he did. And then he said someone would come.
And did they come?
Yes, a police car came a short time later.
And the music?
It stopped.
That must have felt good.
It did. Everything became quiet again.
That's a good example. The conversation was simple but clear.
That's the key. Simple and clear.
And that's what we want our listeners to learn.
You don't need perfect English to talk to the police.
You just need the right words and to stay calm.
And we're going to practice those words today.
Yes, we'll look at different situations and simple phrases.
So, if you ever need help, you'll feel more ready.
And more confident.
That's the goal.
Okay, let's keep going and look at another situation next. Now, let me share a story of my own, Mike. This one is different from yours.
Okay, I'm listening.
This happened when I was traveling.
Traveling always sounds exciting, but sometimes things go wrong.
Exactly. I was visiting a big city in another country.
Were you alone?
No, I was with my cousin.
That's good. What happened?
We were walking around during the day. Everything felt normal and safe.
That's usually when people relax.
Yes, we stopped near a small cafe and sat outside.
Nice. Coffee break.
Yes, I put my backpack on the ground right next to my chair.
Uh-oh.
We were talking, drinking coffee, and laughing.
And then?
When I reached down for my bag, it was gone.
Gone?
Completely gone.
Someone took it?
Yes, someone stole it without me noticing.
That's a horrible feeling.
It really is. I felt shocked at first.
What was inside the bag?
My wallet, my phone charger, and my passport.
Your passport? That's serious.
Very serious. I knew I needed help right away.
What did you do?
We looked around, but the bag was nowhere.
So you went to the police.
Yes, we saw a police officer near the street.
Were you nervous to talk to him?
A little, but I knew I had to be clear.
What did you say?
I said, "Excuse me, officer, my bag was stolen."
That sentence is very clear.
Yes, simple words but strong meaning.
How did the officer react?
He listened carefully and asked questions.
What kind of questions?
First, he asked where it happened.
Location is important.
Yes, then he asked what the bag looked like.
That's the description.
Exactly. I said it was a black backpack.
Good. Color matters.
He also asked what was inside.
That can be hard to remember.
It can, but I tried my best.
What did you tell him?
I said my passport, wallet, charger, and a small notebook.
The officer wrote everything down, right?
Yes, he took notes and then gave me a paper.
A report?
Yes, a police report with a number.
That number is very important.
It is. I needed it to contact my embassy.
Without that report, it's much harder.
Exactly. The police officer explained everything calmly.
That helps people feel safer.
Yes, I realized the police are there to help.
And you don't need perfect English.
No, I made small mistakes, but he understood me.
That's an important lesson for learners,
Communication is more important than grammar.
especially in stressful situations,
Yes, just say what happened and where.
and answer the questions slowly.
That's right.
This is a very real example,
And it can happen to anyone.
which is why learning these words matters.
Exactly. Now, Mike, many learners tell me they are afraid to talk to the police.
Yes, I hear that too.
They think their English is not good enough.
Or they worry about making mistakes.
But in an emergency, mistakes are okay.
Yes, the police don't care about grammar.
They care about information.
What happened, where it happened, who was involved.
Exactly. Short answers are fine.
For example, if there is an accident,
A car accident.
you don't need a long sentence.
You can just say, "There is a car accident.
2 cars, people are hurt.
Please send help."
And then the location.
The location is very important.
Main Street, near the bank, next to the park.
Simple words are enough.
Another thing is staying calm.
Yes, that can be hard.
But taking a breath helps.
And speaking slowly.
The dispatcher may ask you to repeat.
That's normal.
You can say, "I will say it again."
Or, "Please wait."
These are simple phrases.
Let's talk about descriptions again.
Descriptions are very useful.
Colors, clothes, size.
Tall man, short woman.
Blue jacket, white shoes.
These details help a lot.
Sometimes students think this vocabulary is boring.
Red, blue, black.
But in real life, it's powerful.
Yes, it can help find a person or a car.
Or explain what was stolen.
Like a red phone case.
Or a small brown wallet.
Another fear people have is pronunciation.
Yes, they think the police won't understand them.
But police officers talk to many people.
Many accents, many levels of English.
They are trained to listen.
So don't be silent because of fear.
Say help if you need help.
That word alone is very strong.
Help can start the conversation.
And then you build from there.
One word at a time.
That's how communication works.
Anna, should we practice now?
Yes, practice is very important.
Let's do a short role play.
Okay, you will call the police.
And you will be the dispatcher.
Perfect.
Ring ring.
Police emergency? What is your emergency?
Hello, I need help.
Okay, please tell me what happened.
I cannot find my sister.
Where are you now?
I am at the train station.
Which train station?
Central Station.
How old is your sister?
She is 10 years old.
What is she wearing?
She is wearing a yellow dress and white shoes.
Does she have anything with her?
Yes, a small blue bag.
Okay, please stay there. Help is coming.
That felt stressful.
But you did very well.
The questions were clear.
And your answers were clear.
That's how these calls usually go.
Question and answer.
Simple and direct.
That's what we want learners to remember.
You don't need long sentences.
Just the facts.
And calm breathing.
Yes. Now, Mike, let's talk about another situation people worry about.
You mean when the police stop you?
Yes. For example, when you are driving.
That makes many people nervous.
It does, especially in a new country.
You see the lights behind you.
Blue lights in the mirror.
Your heart starts beating fast.
But there are some simple things to remember.
First, stay calm.
Yes, and pull over safely.
Turn off the engine.
And keep your hands where the officer can see them.
Usually on the steering wheel.
Do not get out of the car.
Not unless the officer asks you to.
The officer will come to the window.
And usually they will ask for two things.
License and registration.
Those are common words.
License is your driving license.
Registration is the car paper.
You can say, "Here you are."
Simple and polite.
The officer may ask, "Do you know why I stopped you?"
That can be a hard question.
Yes, many people don't know what to say.
If you are not sure, you can say, "No, officer."
Or, "I am not sure."
If you were driving too fast,
Speeding.
you can say, "I'm sorry."
Being polite is very important.
Polite words help keep the situation calm.
Say, "Officer," "Sir," or "Ma'am."
Never shout.
Never argue on the street.
Stay respectful.
If you don't understand, you can say, "Please speak slowly."
Or, "I don't understand."
That is okay to say.
It's better than guessing.
The police want clear communication.
Not perfect English.
Exactly.
Anna, what about if someone loses something?
Like a wallet?
Yes.
If you lose it at home, that's not a police issue.
Under the sofa is not an emergency.
But if you lose it outside,
Or someone steals it.
then you can talk to the police.
And if you find something,
Like a wallet or a phone.
you should take it to the police station.
That is the honest thing to do.
You can say, "I found this."
I want to turn it in.
Turn it in means give it to the police.
That phrase is very useful.
The officer will thank you.
And they will contact the owner.
That can make someone very happy.
Yes, losing a wallet is very stressful.
Getting it back feels amazing.
These are small actions, but important.
They build trust.
And they keep people safe.
That's what this lesson is about.
Staying safe with simple English.
And feeling confident in real situations.
Mike, I think this is a good moment to practice again.
Yes, practice helps people feel ready.
Let's do another role play.
Okay, what is the situation?
This time, you will be the dispatcher again.
And you will call me.
Yes.
All right, I'm ready.
Ring ring.
Police emergency. What is your emergency?
Hello, please help me.
Okay, tell me what happened.
There is a car accident.
Are people hurt?
Yes, one person is hurt.
Where are you right now?
I am on Oak Street,
Near anything.
near the gas station.
Good. Please stay there.
Okay,
Help is coming.
that was very short.
And that's perfect.
I didn't explain everything,
You don't need to.
just the main information.
What happened, where you are, if someone is hurt.
That's enough.
The dispatcher will ask more questions if needed.
Yes,
Another thing people worry about is panic.
panic makes speaking harder.
But slow words are okay.
You can pause.
You can repeat,
You can say, please wait.
or please help.
The dispatcher will guide you.
That's their job.
Exactly.
Anna, what about calling the police in another country?
That's a very good question.
The number is not always the same.
No, it changes by country.
People often only know one number.
But when you travel, you should learn the local one.
You can ask at your hotel,
Or check online.
save it in your phone.
Or write it on paper.
That way you don't panic later.
Preparation helps.
It really does.
Also, when you call, speak clearly.
Say where you are first,
That helps a lot.
even if the call ends.
They know where to send help.
That's very important.
One more thing.
What is it?
Don't be afraid to repeat yourself.
Yes,
Repeating is not wrong,
it's helpful.
especially with addresses and street names.
Say them slowly.
Letter by letter if needed.
That's okay.
The goal is safety.
Not perfect English.
Exactly.
I think this practice is very useful.
Me too. It makes scary situations feel more manageable,
And that gives learners confidence.
which is what we want.
Now, let's take a moment to review what we talked about today.
Yes, a short recap can really help. We talked about calling the police for different reasons.
We talked about noise complaints and stolen bags
Car accidents.
and traffic stops.
We practiced simple phrases.
Like, help, my bag was stolen, and there is an accident.
We talked about descriptions, clothes, colors, size. And we talked about staying calm.
Calm breathing. Simple words.
We also talked about being polite.
Saying officer, sir, or ma'am.
Respect makes communication easier.
And safer.
One more important word we learned.
Turn it in.
Yes, when you find something, give it to the police.
It's the right thing to do.
And it can really help someone.
Anna, I think this topic is very important.
I agree. English is not only for travel and fun.
It's also for safety,
Knowing these words can make a big difference.
especially in stressful moments.
To our listeners, we hope this episode helped you.
Made you feel more confident.
We have a question for you.
Yes, we'd love to hear from you.
Have you ever talked to the police in English?
Or do you know the emergency number in your country?
You can share it in the comments.
Your answer might help another learner.
And if you found this episode useful,
Please subscribe to
Power English Speaking and share this episode with someone you care about.
It could help them one day.
Thank you so much for listening.
Stay safe.
And keep practicing your English.
See you next time.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.